Lingportal Gentle Podcast to Fluency.
How to deal with a language learning plateau. Stuck at the same level? Here's how to break the plateau. Hello and welcome to Lingportal. My name is Ben, and today we'll talk about something every learner meets on their journey. Sometimes you study, you listen, you practice, but your English feels the same. No big progress, no big changes. You're on a plateau, a flat place with no progress. Don't worry, you're not alone. This happens to everyone. You're not doing anything wrong. You're simply standing at the point where your brain is ready for a new level. Every learner meets this place on their journey, and there is a way to move forward again. So, take a deep breath. Let's talk about how to break the plateau and feel progress once more. What is a plateau? Imagine climbing a hill. You go higher and higher. Then suddenly, the road becomes flat. You walk, but you don't feel you're moving up. That's a plateau. In language learning, it means your English doesn't seem to improve, even though you keep learning. Maybe you understand English well, but speaking is still slow. You may think, I'm not learning new words. My speaking sounds the same. I feel tired of studying. If you felt this, you're on the plateau. And that's okay. It means you've reached an intermediate level. Now it's time to learn in a new way. Why the plateau happens. Before we can break the plateau, we need to understand why it appears. A plateau is not random. It has clear, simple causes. And when you know the reasons, you can change the result. Here are the most common ones. Reason 1. You study the same way every day. You repeat the same exercises, the same lessons, the same routines. Your brain gets bored. It stops growing. Reason 2. You stay too comfortable. You read easy texts. You watch simple videos. Nothing challenges your mind. But your brain needs a little difficulty to grow stronger. Reason 3. You don't use English in real life. You learn about English, but you don't live it. You don't speak naturally. You don't write. You don't listen in real situations. And without real use, the language becomes passive. Reason 4. You're tired. You study too much without rest. Your motivation drops. Your energy becomes low. It's not your fault. It just means you need a kinder way to learn. These reasons are normal. Every learner experiences them. And now that you understand why the plateau happens, you can start moving forward again. Step 1. Change something. When you feel stuck, change something. Change your book. Change your teacher. Change your routine. Switch from grammar to podcasts. Move from reading to speaking. Even change where you study. Sit in a cafe. Walk in a park. Try something new. Your brain loves new experiences. They wake it up and make learning exciting again. So remember, change brings energy. Step 2. Add a challenge. Fluency grows when your brain works a little harder. read something more difficult. Maybe a short article from the BBC or a news story. Listen to a podcast that feels just a bit above your level. You don't have to understand everything. You just need to try. Every time you face something new, your brain builds new connections. So, add challenge. Just 10 to 20% harder than your level. But don't add stress. That's how progress returns. Step 3. Use it or lose it. There's a simple rule in language learning. Use it or lose it. If you don't use English, your brain forgets it. Speak, even if you're alone. Talk to yourself. Join an online club. Find a partner to practice with. Real conversation brings your language to life. And remember the words of philosopher Ludwig Wittgenstein. The limits of my language mean the limits of my world. The more you speak, the bigger your world becomes. Step 4. Rest and reconnect. Sometimes the best progress happens during rest. If you feel tired, stop for a day or two. Walk. Sleep. Do something you love. Rest is not failure. Rest is a part of learning. When you pause, your mind organizes everything you've learned. Then you can come back with fresh energy. Learning English is not a race. It's a rhythm. Learn, rest, continue. And while you rest, keep English close to you. Watch a film, listen to a song, or read something you enjoy. Learning should bring you joy, not stress. Your new system. Let's make a simple system, your personal way out of the plateau. Start with variety. Mix reading, listening, speaking, and writing. A small daily routine can look like this: 10 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of reading, 2 spoken sentences. That's enough to wake up your English. Next, increase the challenge. Every day, try something just a little harder than yesterday. A slightly new word, a slightly longer sentence, a slightly faster audio. Small challenges create big progress. Then practice regularly. Short but steady sessions work best. Consistency is stronger than motivation. Track your progress. Write down what you learn in a notebook. When you see your improvement, you feel more confident and more motivated. And remember, you don't have to do everything alone. Combine self-study with guidance. Learn with a teacher sometimes, especially one who helps you stay focused and motivated. This is your way forward, your clear, golden path out of the plateau. Motivation. Now ask yourself, why do you want to keep going? What is your reason to move forward? Is it your dream job? A university? Travel? Or simply your love for the English language? Your why is your power. It's the reason you'll climb again when the road feels flat. And remember the words of Steve Jobs. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Love the process. Trust your journey. Conclusion. The plateau is not the end. It's a pause before your next step up. Be patient. Be curious. Change, challenge, use, and rest. And soon you'll feel it. Your English is growing again. Thank you for sharing this calm moment with me. I'm Ben, and this is Lingportal. Keep learning, keep moving, and remember, you can do it.